We are Track Record.
We are never finished.
What's up, everybody? Wow, I cannot shift with my left hand. Welcome back. I am gonna turn my car around real quick. That looks about right. Okay, so I'm excited about this because I've been waiting for this box for about 2 months now, and it's finally here. I've actually had it for a couple days, and I've been waiting to open it just for you guys. I haven't taken these taillights out at all. Just as a quick refresher, if you guys don't remember, about 2 months ago, SubiSpeed sent both of these taillights. These are actually the prototypes of the V2 tails from SubiSpeed, and they sent out the prototypes to me so I could test them and make sure everything was good, take them through just car washes, heavy washes, basically daily driving, just doing everything I would normally do in this car and with these taillights, and then report back to them if there were any issues or anything like that. So, but now that I actually have the real final release taillights here today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one out because it's not, I'm gonna keep this style, and that's the one that they sent me. So I'm gonna put the new one into here so it matches this one, keep the prototype on this side and the new one on that side, and then we're basically just going to compare, make sure, see if there's any changes. I don't think that there will be any like physical changes or any changes with the lighting. Let me show you, as I'm taking these out of the box, what they look like, because like I said, I haven't even seen these yet. So do you guys want any Laffy Taffy? I'm sure you want the banana one, right? 8 times out of 10, it's always a yellow one. I don't know if they're just getting rid of their yellow ones because nobody likes them, giving them to us, but I'm glad I got the pink one. Goodbye, prototype. I completely forgot. Thank you guys for 10,000 subscribers. I don't want to give too formal of a thank you right now because we actually do have a dedicated video coming out pretty soon, within the next week, I think. We're gonna have that video coming out. That's all I'm gonna say for now is thank you guys so much for 10K. But we have something really special planned for 10K, and we think you guys are gonna like this. Anyways, I won't keep saying anything. In the prototype, there were a couple imperfections, but this one, I don't see any of those. Things that I definitely don't see here anymore. Everything else is pretty much exactly the same, but overall, I'm just really happy now to have matching taillights. All right, so I'm gonna turn on the car, or just turn the key and turn on these lights, and we can see. Okay, so everything looks good, but now step 2 is going through the animations of the lights and everything like that. I'm pretty sure this one I turned off the, I don't know, maybe I didn't. Let me check. Ah, no, I didn't. It's still on. That's that one. Let's try the other one. Oh, the sequential is not on. That must be because whatever I plugged in was actually to turn it off. Okay, so I unplugged that. There we go. All right, I'm gonna get the other one in here and make sure everything works all right. And I'm gonna get these back in that box. I'm gonna put that box in that box. I'm gonna tape that up, put the shipping label, they got me, put that on there, package that away, and get it ready to ship back to them. And then we can enjoy the new taillights. So you ready? All right, that's it. I put in the new taillight. This is the new taillight. I forgot to test out the reverse lights. Dang it. That's okay, I'll turn them on right now. Okay, so apparently my mic decided to just die while I was filming that outro. So I didn't actually get anything, but I'm just gonna do that real quick right now. I was gonna show you guys the reverse lights, so let me do that real quick. I know my car is kind of cramped in here right now. All right, so boom, we have reverse lights, and obviously bright as heck. And oh, one thing that I was gonna mention that I didn't get to say in the outro because the audio wasn't working was I only have one regret with these taillights, and that is that, and I think in an earlier version too, they had this as the turn signal, and then this was just the brake light, and then this section here that's not lit was the reverse light. But obviously they changed it to this being the turn signal, which honestly I do really like the fact that this C light is sequential, and plus on the V1s they did have that straight bar at the bottom that was the turn signal. That was sequential as well. That could be a reason that they wanted to switch things up, but I know some of you guys had mentioned that you would have liked to see this bar here as the turn signal, and then this just be the brake light, and then the reverse here. So that was one of the versions that they had that were not the finals, and they decided to go with this version, which, I don't know, I mean, it depends on, it's all personal preference. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of these taillights, and also if you guys are planning on picking up a pair of these, what style do you prefer more? Because I have the clear lens with the red C and the black background, but then they also have the tinted version, which I had on the left side as the prototype. And then they're also having the full red version, which is like all red except the reverse light in the middle. So I'm kind of curious about that one because I didn't get that one as a prototype. And I think that's gonna have to do it for today. As always, guys, we are never finished, and we will catch you in the next one.